Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So, today you guys are lucky that I'm going to unbox this. This is Microsoft Xbox Series X, which is the expensive unit. This one's $499 plus tax, so it's about 540 something bucks. While the other one is the Xbox Series S. That one's $299, and that one lack of physical drive and a few other features. So let me give you the specification real quick on this unit. This is a 3.8 gigahertz AMD Zen 2 based processor, and then the GPU is a 12 teraflop AMD RDNA2 GPU with the 52 compute units. The internal memory is 16 gigabyte of RAM. Storage on this is 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. Max solution on this is 8K. Max frame rate is 120 frames per second. Ports HDMI and USB-A Ethernet. The size on this is 11.9 by 5.9 by 5.9 inches. Weight on this is 9.8 pounds. So anyway, I'm going to unbox this, but I will not unbox the original box due to the resale. So let's go ahead and open this up. So the unit's pretty heavy. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. So here's the receipt right here. You got the one quantity, item number, and then a description right there. $499, and then free shipping fee, $43.60 for the tax. So total is $542.66. Got this air bubble bags. So like always, I'm going to give you guys a 360 view of the box. You got this Power Your Dreams. Got the Xbox logo on the upper left hand side. Microsoft on the lower right hand side here. The fastest, most powerful Xbox ever. Refined speed with the Xbox Velocity architecture. Play dozens of games across 4 generations of Xbox. Unlimited access 100 plus high quality games. Membership sold separately. So you got this 2 of this tape. That is a factory seal on there, and then it's also on the upper left hand side, and then right hand side right here. Here's a side view. So there's an arrow, so you're supposed to appear off on this side. So right here's a non-stick. So this is the Xbox right here with the Xbox controller and Series X 1 terabyte SSD. And you got the Xbox logo and then Xbox Series X again. This is the game console, what's going to look like. And it shows 4K 120 frames per second, and 1TB SSD again. That's the logo right here. And here are some of the features. 4K gaming up to 120 frames per second, 8K up to 8K high dynamic range, and Xbox Velocity architecture, 1TB solid state drive, VRR variable refresh rate, and this one comes with a 4K Blueray player, and included Xbox X console, and then one wireless controller. You have the ultra high speed HDMI, and then wireless networking capability. And you got the Ultra HD Blu-ray, HDMI, Dolby Vision Autonomous, DTSX. And here's the top view. Got the console with the game controller. And then you got the Xbox right here. Go ahead and check out the bottom side. Here's some of the importance right here. It shows display, internet, compatibility, storage, wireless, technologies, and disclaimer about the Microsoft logo and everything. And these are in the different languages. There's a warning right here. Some people may experience a seizure when exposed to flashing lights or patterns in video games. And then there are the two of the tape that's down here with the arrow that you can peel it off. And here's the other one. Alright, so this is as much I could show you guys. Due to the resale, I cannot open this up. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.